In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some to-do list that you can strike in Google Keep. Okay, so we can come over to my apps here and just search for Keep, and you'll be able to see it over here, Keep Notes. So this time around, I'm going to click on this plus sign and we're going to deal with lists that you can put. So you can give it a title like daily task, for example. So today, for example, Sunday, 13th. And then you can add your details. What do you want to add? For example, I can say go to school and next buy groceries, next buy a shoe, for example. And these are, you can keep adding the list on, and you can rearrange them accordingly. You can rearrange them by just coming to these 6 dots and you can move them. You can cancel with this cancel sign, and then you can hide checkboxes if you are interested in hiding. And you can change the background as a whole. You can change the color if you want, or change the background to something else to make it a little bit more beautiful. So you can see once you have this, you can pin this to the main dashboard and then you are done. So you have at any given point you accomplish a task, you can just check in the box and you can see the task had been stricken, which means it is completed. You can click on this one as well. So you have 2 tasks completed in here. Okay, so this is how to create lists in Google Keep and manage your tasks on daily basis. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.